Hi, everybody. This topic came up like last night when we were at the after party, so we made quick slides for you today.
Oh, it's a story of in Ukraine.
You will see on the slides. Yeah.
Oh,
Talk about the topic, but don't reveal the topic.
we have a bug. So,
Yeah.
First of all, thanks for having us. We had a great time. This was like great PyCon, really. Also, Dziękuję za uwagę. I already spent time learning that, so why not use it again? And that's it.
Okay. So, in Ukraine, a Belgian, a Brazilian, and an Israeli walk into a bar. The waiter looks at them and says, "Is this some kind of joke?" No, seriously. Now you can take it off. Take over. A wild bug appears. How do they fix it? Okay.
we don't know.
Which is funny because it's more than the talk itself.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, that's all.